Okay, time for a final walkthrough of this house here in Ajax, doing the front stonework and a bunch of other stuff. Enjoy the video. This whole middle painted section has been repainted. All the windows around the whole perimeter have been recaulked. Any mortar issues have been re-pointed. Working my way around the front of the building here. Again, all windows have been recaulked. Fresh paint on the side door here to match the garage doors. Like I said in a previous video, we've done new PVC wood to fix the portico up there. Fresh archway has been reset. Fresh coat of paint on the front door, new paint to match the garage doors. And here is the stonework. This is called Algonquin limestone. One of the things we did, we actually moved the outlet up. We think it's easier to have the outlet higher. It used to be way down here, but when you're reaching in to plug stuff in, it's nice to have it higher. Nice to have it higher up. Quick tip: when you repaint doors, exterior doors, this weather stripping comes out, just snaps out of place and snaps back in, so you can actually paint the door and close it, and there'll be a gap here, so you don't have to leave the door open all the time. Relocated the intercom system. Another quick tip: if you're going to take something apart, take a picture of it so you can put it back together nice. Saves your ass a few times. Stonework all around. Relocated the mailbox from there to there. Last video I talked about parging the concrete, so here's our concrete curb that we did. It's been nicely parged all the way down, so none of our stone actually sits on the patio level. It all sits on concrete. Shoots right across the front door, hits that window, drops, follows the stair line. Another random tip: we used diamonic caulking along the wall there, which was the same color as this limestone gray we used for the windows. But as we lay a bead here, we took some of the polymeric and put on top before it was cured to darken it up a bit, so it kind of just disappears into the corner. To parge this properly, I actually lifted the first stone on each step out and relaid them after the parging was done. These three are brand new. Same with these bottom ones here. Again, they're all on reinforced concrete kind of footings here with a brush finish parge on the front. Before, this was there was just clay bricks behind parge there before, which is a big no-no. We tried there's a trick we saw on TikTok where you could heat up the whole old plastic with a heat gun, and it'd bring the color back, and it kind of worked, but I think they were too far gone, so we ended up ordering new green trim to match the garage doors. So I think it looks pretty sharp. So again, start off in the corner here, new concrete, New surrounds, stonework across the front. Just wide open shot with the front with the refreshed portico, doorway, and stone wrapped around the front. She already had some beautiful interlock here and a nice stone stairway, and I think it all kind of complements each other. The new green doors with the brass handles look sharp. It's funny, you look at these houses and you kind of forget what it used to look like before. The red brick used to go all the way down to the ground, and you kind of forget. Another job in the bag. Thank you for watching this week's video. That project is out of the way. It took the two of us about 4 weeks to complete. Now we're back working on the shop a little bit. We got some end gable built in. I finally have a roof over my head, but stay tuned for that. I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Hit that like button, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.